Hi, and welcome to TeamSpec. In this video, we're going to show you how to create test cases for Team Foundation Server using TeamSpec and Word. We'll then create a new skin based off of a test case, saving the default values so we can reuse steps in commonly set work item fields. Finally, we'll use our new skin to create multiple test cases for our work items and publish them to Team Foundation Server. We'll start with our Fabricam Fiber project spec that already contains a query block with the product backlog items from our current sprint. We'll add a section for our current sprint test cases. Then locate the backlog item we want to add our test cases to. Right-clicking on the backlog item brings up the new linked work item menu. For this example, we want to create and insert a new related work item. We'll choose the default test case skin that ships with TeamSpec, the test case work item type, quantity of 1, and the link type to tested by. Clicking OK creates a new work item as specified and inserts it into our document using the fields and formatting contained within the skin. We'll populate the title for our new test case, then set the state, automation status, and assign two fields. We can add steps to our test case by filling out the provided table, taking advantage of the built-in editing and review features that Word provides. More steps can be added by right-clicking on the table and inserting additional rows. Once all of the steps have been entered, we can create a new test case skin by selecting the steps table and fields, then selecting TeamSpec skins, create new skin. We'll name our new test case skin and make sure the set skin defaults box is checked before creating it. To set our default values, we'll switch the work item type to test case and set the values we want for state, area, and iteration. Now, any new test cases created with the skin will automatically populate these values when inserted into our document. We'll now insert more test cases into our document by selecting Create and Insert Work Item. This time, we'll select our newly created skin and change the quantity to 2. Clicking OK inserts our new test cases and automatically populates the default values as we specified. Now we can simply update our titles for each test case and modify the steps as appropriate for each particular instance. With our editing complete, we can publish the test cases to Team Foundation Server simply by right-clicking and selecting Publish. Each test case will be validated, published, and updated with its new work item ID. Here we can see the original backlog item showing the newly created test cases in the related work items folder. If we open the backlog item, our new test cases can be seen in the Test Cases tab and are now available for verification using Test Manager or Visual Studio. We hope you enjoyed our video. You can download a fully functional 90-day evaluation of TeamSpec from teamsystemsolutions.com. If you have any questions about TeamSpec, please contact sales@teamsystemsolutions.com.